Here are 5 astonishing signs that manifestation, something big, is coming your way. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And we're outside today. It's a windy day, so you may hear some wind noise, but we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. I'm going to share with you 5 astonishing signs that something magnificent, that manifestation is about to happen in your life. Number 1 sign, you get this eerie calmness. I don't know if you've ever been through a snowstorm, and after the snowstorm, it's like eerie quiet. I mean, it's like total quiet. I was in a tornado once where I was about 2 blocks away from the tornado. And when it went through, it was loud. You could feel the house moving. It was crazy. But after it was through, total calmness, total quietness. Unbelievable. When you have this total calmness in your life, that's a sign that energy and vibration is flowing into your life in such a powerful, positive way that you just feel calm. You feel relaxed. You feel confident that what you desire, what you crave, is about to happen. Well, high flyers, sign number 2 is you see more of what you really want. In other words, if what you want is a new dream home, you'll take the wrong exit off the freeway. And all of a sudden you'll be in a neighborhood with all these beautiful homes and you go, oh my gosh, that's just like the home I want. You'll see pictures in magazines. You'll get ads for dream homes. I mean, if it's wealth that you want, you'll see limousines all over the place. You'll see pictures of lottery winners, BMWs driving by. You'll see banks. I mean, everywhere you look, you will see a bank. Watch. You write it down here. Tomorrow, you're going to see at least 3 banks. But hey, if you're a real manifester, if something big is coming your way and it has to do with money, you're probably going to see about 5 banks. It's astonishing how this happens, but the universe is talking to you. High flyers, I want to remind you to catch one of our podcasts. We're on iTunes. We're on Google Podcasts. We're all over the place. We're on iHeart. We're on Blog Talk. We are on a lot of different platforms now. And so be sure and subscribe to one of our podcasts because we are hitting it almost every other day with a new podcast. Sign number 3 is you see 1111, 333, 555, 1234, 345678. You see those numbers, sequential numbers, or numbers like 1111, 333, 555. These are huge signs that whatever it is you want, whatever it is you are manifesting, it's about to happen in your life. Are you excited? Well, number 4 is spirit animals. Yes, I said spirit animals. And what I mean by that is you don't see animal spirits. What you see is you see animals. Like just the other day, we were doing a video. I saw a hawk flying directly over my head. What a beautiful sign of wisdom and eyesight and intelligence and fierceness. What a wonderful sign. You might see pictures of lions or gophers. You might see a picture of a snake, or you might actually see a real one. But you will start having more contact with animals that mean something to you. Listen to me on this. Only you can really interpret their meaning, what it really means to you. And sign number 5 is absolute certainty. You've reached that point of absolute certainty where you just know that you know that you know that you know that what you desire is manifesting. It's already manifested in the universe. It's just waiting for you to open up the package. It's like Christmas morning. It's absolutely wonderful. And you're certain of it. You believe it. Are you ready for a bonus sign? Don't go away. I've got a bonus sign for you. You dream of what you want. You have positive dreams. You wake up in the morning and you go, that's what I want. That's what I'm attracting into my life. And you had a dream about it. And it was an incredible dream. And you feel inspired by it. Okay, there you go. 5 incredible, astonishing signs that something powerful is coming your way, something wonderful, plus a bonus one. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you on iTunes and iHeartRadio. And hey, we're always here on YouTube 5 days a week, so be sure and subscribe. You have a great day because you absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.